Even though my vision isn't very clear right now, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though it may seem impossible, I choose to have perfect vision. Even though it is very common for our eyesight to decrease over time, I choose to have perfect vision now. To my dear eyes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not taking good care of you, for overusing you and neglecting you. To my eyes, please forgive me. Please forgive me for all the hours I spent watching my computer, looking at my phone, without taking any breaks. I know that this really made you hold a lot of tension and a lot of stress. To my eyes, thank you. Thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you for allowing me to see the beauty of the world, for allowing me to see colors and landscapes, movies, the people that I love, and the beautiful blue sky. Thank you. To my eyes, I love you, and I'm going to express this love to you by taking care of you. I now allow my eyes to relax, right here, right now. I allow my eyes to see clearly and have perfect vision. This was one round of the tapping. To do a quick overview of the points that we tapped, we started with the karate chop point on the side of the hand, then the eyebrow, side of the eye, below the eye, below the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and the top of the head. You can do several rounds of the tapping until you feel nice and calm and relaxed and positive about your eyes. If you wish, you can rewind the video and do a few more rounds of tapping. Take care. Bye-bye.